Aspirational bodhicitta is like the wish to go somewhere, and practical bodhicitta is like making the journey. The responsiveness to the wish is through the practice of the 6 transcendent perfections, paramitas. Whichever paramita you are engaging in, make sure it is motivated and guided by the wish to enlighten all sentient beings. The first paramita, generosity, refers to giving material, dharma, or protection from fear to others without expecting to be paid back. The second, discipline, consists of avoiding negative actions, undertaking positive actions, and bringing benefit to others. Patience is the third paramita and means gentle forbearance when being disturbed or even harmed by others, endurance when encountering hardships for the Dharma, and acceptance when receiving profound teachings. The fourth, diligence, is being courageous and perseverant, never separating from virtues, and never feeling satisfied with your practice until you attain Buddhahood.